My family and I were headed to my grandmother's house. A major traffic delay awaited, which was followed by a knock on one of the windows. I peered through the glass to see who it was. I was taken aback when I saw an impoverished boy selling balloons on the road. I felt sorry for him and inquired my mother what he was doing here. I was surprised and became motivated and inspired to create a better world for them. On hearing my mother's response that they are unprivileged, cannot go to school like me, and can't afford to eat 3 meals a day. Thanks to this APKEC event, I have progressed in my dream. This is Aditya Sharma, the kid who experienced this incident, talking to you all on this important day, excited to share my vision. On researching more about them, I learned that the teachers have less money due to which they can't get health insurance. The schools have poor infrastructure and unfavorable environment conditions. They also do not have access to the internet. There are very few schools in rural areas, and children have to travel long distances to attend. The schools also don't provide water facilities. Quality of education is also poor. Girl education is also not promoted. There is no reliable electricity supply too. So I have a one-of-a-kind and distinct solution. I would establish inclusive schools that are inexpensive. They would have good sanitation facilities, solar power. They would run on solar power electricity. A well-stocked library would be there. There would also be a canteen where nutritious food will be served to keep the kids healthy. Last but not the least, there will also be an adequate playing space. The students will be taught by professionals to get them up for future. There will also be a school competition and will also be allowed to come and learn. To make my concept a reality, I would first contact with architects, engineers, and electricians, after which I would get a blueprint for the school. Then the building process would start. After a year, sponsors and investors would be attracted. Next, teachers with sufficient knowledge would be hired. Then education would begin. Other than money, I would need educators for special children and tie-ups with sports academies. I would also need textbook and uniform vendors, and teachers willing to do charitable work. As a result of this, the globe will become a more knowledgeable place, capable of resolving global concerns and ensuring a better future for everybody. So, please help me join this cause. This is Aditya Sharma. Once again, bye-bye.